Hi there. In this recipe we're making Paani Poori. So this is a filling for the puri. Puri we can buy it outside or you can make it yourself. So this is potato, one medium size or medium to large size potato, boiled, and then skin is peeled off, and I just chop into dices. So like this size you can keep it, and then 1 teaspoon of green chilli chopped, coriander leaf finely chopped, around 3 to 4 sprigs. Mix it. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. So chopped onion, 3 tablespoons. Mix it nicely. Now we will be adding 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. So chaat masala 1 teaspoon. Chili powder, 2 pinch you can add, around 1 grams. Mix it. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon or less than that. First taste it and then adjust. So now to make the pani or the water for the pani puri, I'm adding tamarind chutney. It's around half a cup. You can make this or you can buy it from outside, the tamarind chutney. And now add mint chutney, mint and coriander chutney. The recipe will be in the description below or on the card, you can check. So I'm adding 2 full tablespoons. Now adding chaat masala, 1 teaspoon, 1 full teaspoon. Now mix this. Now to this add a cup of water. Mix everything. Check the seasoning now, check the salt. And here you can add bundi if you want it now, or you can add it to the pani puri. So to make the pani puri, okay, you need to find the thinner side of the puri. Just crack it like this. Make a small hole enough to fill the potato. So now inside you take that potato mix, just fill it inside. Okay, just press it inside. So now it's ready. So at least 1 full teaspoon you have to put it inside. I mean the amount of potatoes. And take the pani, pour it in. Okay, just to fill halfway through. Take it and in one gulp just eat it.